In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the SteelSeries QcK hard mousepad. This is a polycarbonate hard mousepad, so it's very different to their usual cloth mousepads. Let's get it out and have a look. So the QcK hard measures in at the same 32 by 27 centimeters as the cloth version, but obviously this is a rigid plastic version, and the surface is a bit more. It's rubbery, but it's smooth, if that kind of makes sense. It's a polycarbonate material. The underside is rubbery, so it grips on your desk fine. No movement there at all. Same SteelSeries logo in the bottom left. Looking really smart. It's not going to take on dirt like the cloth versions do. You can just wipe it down with a cloth, extra easy. How does the mouse move? It glides effortlessly. What I will say, however, about this mouse pad is you need to have pretty good feet on your mouse. This has got pretty good rubbery feet, which is nice and smooth. But I have used mice on hard mouse pads like this, where they've been a bit scratchy and made quite a lot of noise. In fact, you can almost hear it with this one. A little bit of noise when you're moving it around. Another down point with this, obviously, because it's not material, it's not padded. They also do a thick version of this, which is 6mm thick. This is only 3, but the edge there is a little bit scratchy, so if you are moving your wrist on it, it's potentially a little bit scratchy. Something I'm sure many people will sacrifice if they want a hard mouse pad like this. So this mouse pad is a little more pricey than the average SteelSeries cloth pad. It comes in at about £25. I'll put a link in the description below to where you can buy it. I'll also put links below to the reviews of the other QcK mouse pads in this series. There's the Prism, the Edge, the Thick and the regular QcK. But overall, if you're looking for a hard wearing surface which is extra smooth, you wouldn't go wrong with this SteelSeries hard. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do new videos all the time of gaming peripherals, household appliances, that kind of thing. And if you've made it this far, thank you for watching.